How to send audio music on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Then click on the chat where you want to send your audio. Then at the bottom, click on the clip-like option beside the camera option. In here, click on audio. After you have clicked on audio, you will find all your files pop up. Now click on the audio you want to send, as you will find all audios from your device. After you've selected, at the bottom right, click on the arrow. Then press on send. After you've pressed on send, it will be sent in an audio form in this way. This is how to send audio music on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.